Welcome to English Learn with Zohan. Total question 15. Time 5 seconds each questions. Good luck. Subscribe now and never stop learning. Learn smart. Are you ready? Let's begin. Question 1. I wipe my keys on the table. Correct answer, B, left. Question 2. She, very happy today. Correct answer, B, is. Question 3. They, to school. Every day. Correct answer, C, go. Question 4. We. Dinner at 8 p.m. last night. Correct answer, B. Question 5. The cat is hiding in the sofa. Correct answer, C. Under. Question 6. He. A song right now. Correct answer, C. Is singing. Question 7. She, already eaten her lunch. Correct answer, A, has. Question 8. There's many books on the shelf. Correct answer, B, are. Question 9. I visit my grandparents every weekend. Correct answer, C, do. Question 10. He, to the gym every morning. Correct answer, C, goes. Question 11. The children, playing outside. Correct answer, B, are. Question 12. This is the movie I have ever seen. Correct answer, D, best. Question 13. She was born May. Correct answer, B, in. Question 14. The boy, the ball very hard. Correct answer, B, kicks. Question 15. My friends going to the park. Correct answer, B, are.